I was driving up there. She told me to turn around and go back.
Tala, tala, tala.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Good morning. Thursday morning. Oh my God. Alam nyo ba na yung pakiramdam ko is hindi, ano na lang yung ano ko is yung lalamunan na sa... Anyway. So, nagloko yung camera. Anyway. So, dito tayo sa filming room ko. And then, ilagay natin iPhone 4S pala yun. Yung kaibiyanan na ni ano ko dito. Yung hiningi ko kay Tami. At saka, binigay naman nila. Dinilit lahat ni brother-in-law. Yung asawa ng kapatid ni Tami. Dinilit lahat. Lahat-lahat. So, which is good para hindi na ako mag-abalang i-delete lahat yun. Ang gagawin ko is ilagay ko yun dito. Ilagay ko yun sa... Nandito pa oh. Yung mga gamit. Yung mga charger. Mga ganun. Ibigay ko yun sa sister ko. So, lahat ng gamit andito pa. And meron pang pa-extra talaga oh. Yung binili ito ni Tami. Screen protector. Dalawa pa talaga. Pag uwi natin sa Pilipinas, excited na tayo. Ibigay natin ito sa kapatid ko. Meron pang cellphone si Bianan. I think magamit din ito sa Pilipinas eh. I don't know kung ma-open line ba to. Hindi na. I-keep ko na lang to kasi meron akong mga old cellphone din dito na kailangan kong yung parang i-display mga old cellphones. Yun. Anyway, so ngayon, i-blow dry ko lang tong buhok ko guys, and I will be right back. Yung ilong ko is para pa rin naat nga ng baril, naat nga ng ilang simento, yung ilong ko is parang meron pa rin mga something dito. So yan. At saka yung boses ko, sa kakaubo ko to kagabi, hindi ko mapigilan, hindi na ako makatulog ng, nag-take ako ng NyQuil. Yesterday was Wednesday, hindi ako nag-vlog kasi yung pakiramdam ko talaga sublang lala. I took a NyQuil, medicine, ginger, I took ginger tea, nag-boil ako kagabi, and yun yung ininom natin kagabi. Pagkatapos kong nag-inom ng NyQuil, iiwan ko kung bakit suka ko ng suka after taking the NyQuil. Sige, para ako mamamatay yun. Yan ko is sobrang hindi ko mag-get, suka na akong suka, ubo ako ng ubo. Kagabi yun, akala ko mamatay na ako, sabi ko, inom ng tubig din. Again, pasensya na talaga sila sa ilong. Wala namang something sa ilong ko, pero parang may nakabara pa rin. Iwan ko naman. Palagi ko naman silang nilalabas, pero may nakabara pa rin talaga. Hey, hintayin ko lang si Tami, kasi si Tami guys, nagpa-change siya sa gulong ng sasakyan niya. So hopefully, plano niya pupunta dito. So next week, ako na naman yung pupunta doon kasi ngayon sana kami pupunta sa cemetery. Pero naisipan namin next week na lang, Monday, para mag-impake na naman kami doon. And yun yung mga plano namin. And then, bisita kami yanan, impake, dalhin ko na naman yung aso, doon kami. And yes, nagluluto ako ng rice kasi alam nyo naman tayo. Ito yung cellphone ni Bianan. As in, walang scratch. Kasi yung pagbili talaga nito is nilagay na sa case. Fully charged siya. So, ito siya. Yung talaga, case na ginamit ni Bianan nung matagal na to guys. Okay pa yung camera. Okay pa talaga. So, tinitignan ko siya. Meron siyang SIM card dito sa gilid, oh. I-press mo lang siya. Dapat may to eh. Walang kasamang eh. Okay pa siya lahat-lahat. Yung camera din niya is sobrang okay pa, look. Roxy, your nose. Look at Roxy. Look, diba? Sobrang okay pa yung camera. Yung video. Mabigat siya, guys. Tingnan nyo, kumpara yung this is 4. This is 7 plus. Kung ikumpara lang natin yung kakaiba nila, is lang, diba? Malaking kaibahan talaga. Naglalaba din ako, guys, and I'm going to wash my bed sheets kasi ubo ako ng ubo kagabi. And gusto kong labahan siya parang walang bakterya, ganon. And then, mahiga si Tami nun mamaya. So ngayon, I will see you later kasi maglaba ako. Ang dami ko pang labahan. Yung bedsheets, yung sa akin, yung mga damit, ganon. And nagluluto tayo. Hintayin na lang natin si Tami. Kagabi, natawa ako kagabi ba? Kasi, iwan ko kung ako lang ba yun or naranasan niyo ito. Yung feeling na ayaw mong bumangon kasi umihi. Gusto mong umihi. Pero kaya pa ng power na hindi ka pa maihi. Pero ayaw mo talagang bumangon kasi, you know, gusto mo lang makatulog, mahiga. Yan yung mga kaganapan. And, ang nakakatawa is, this morning, pagbangon ko, wiwi, sabi ko, oh, ang sarap ng feeling, ganun. Sabi ko, ba't ang tagal ng stop? Hala ka, forever. Natakot ako tuloy. So, pagbangon ko, natakot ako dahil, sabi ko sarili ko, hala, ano ba to? Hala, kailan pa kaya mag-stop? Pero ang sarap ng feeling, hala, agos lang siya ng agos. Sabi ko, oh, kailan pa kaya ito matatapos? Pero ang sarap ng feeling. Hello guys, nag-snow. I don't know kung makikita ba ninyo, pero nag-snow. Konti lang. Hindi nyo makikita, oy. Nag-snow siya and then windy. Hello po sa inyong lahat dyan. Kumusta po? Yung mga buhay-buhay natin dyan. Alam nyo ba guys, na itong lips ko sobrang ka-dry-dry yan. Sobrang dry ito dito na palibot. The other day, yesterday, I wasn't vlogging. Pero dito, grabe yung palibot dito. Oh, grabe ka-dry talaga. Alam nyo yung decision ko. Alam nyo ba kung ano ginawa ko? Nag-petroleum ko guys. Kasi usually, meron akong chapstick na blue. Hindi na magkaya, sobra sa kadry. Yung petroleum, guys, as in, nag-relax talaga yung lips ko, guys. Ngayon, na-dry na naman kasi nag-inom ako ng tea.
For submissions at cbs.com. And we could be knocking on your door. Knock, knock. We brought some pie. Most homeowners draw a blank when asked what their home projects should cost. That's why at Home Advisor, you can see what others pay for similar jobs in your area.
Okay, Misty. It's your turn. It's your turn. Behave. Ayun ni Misty, guys. It's your turn to... You know how old you are? You're very old. You have a gray hair. You know. She hide her face, guys. Do you know that you have an old... You know that you're old? You know that you have a gray hair. You deserve to have a glasses. You know that. Hindi si Tami pupunta, guys. Hindi niya ako puntahan. Sabi pa niya sa akin. Sabi niya, ba't hindi mo ako papuntahin dyan? May plano ka nang i-meet yung ano mo? Boyfriend? Boyfriend daw, Rox. Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? Have a boyfriend? Look at the camera, baby. Because just you and me here. You and me and your sister and brother. Sisters and brother. It's just us. Dad is not gonna come to us. Because it doesn't matter. He's not gonna stay here forever because he's gonna leave tomorrow morning anyway. Anyway, I love you guys. I love you. I have company. I love that I have company here. I do love that I have a company. A company.
Hi guys, I'm coming to you remotely. Apparently my wife would prefer not to see me. I had some things to do in the morning. My car was in a shop all morning. So I'm headed up there and she said, no, don't even bother coming up. So I'm guessing I must be intruding on her life. And because I won't be up there to say hello, I'm doing it from here and I will send her the video clip. So hope everybody out there is doing well. I'm not really good at this. I don't know what to say. So it was no major thing with my car. It's just been having issues with the tires. All 4 tires keep leaking air regularly and there's nothing wrong with the tires. So I just bought a new set of tires, a new set of Bluetooth valves for the car, resolved the issue. I'm tired of putting air in tires every other day. And that's where that's at. So they took a few hours doing it. It was like 4 hours. I don't know why it took so long, but like I said, I was driving up there. She told me to turn around and go back. So I turned around and I came back.
Hello. Ay, suot ko tong pajama ni Tami, oh. mag-change lang tayo. Alam nyo, pajama tayo, right, pajama kasi. Alam nyo, ang ano din sa labas, yung sobra yung tawag nito, hangin. Takot ako sa hangin, and yun ko. Gusto kong magtago, gusto kong wala si Tabi. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko. I know. Not yet, not yet. There's no cover here for you yet. Alam niya. No cover yet. Get down. Roxy. Roxy, get down. Okay, get down now. Down. Kailangan pa ng cover. At wala si Tabi kasi may sakit din siyang naramdaman. Nag-FaceTime kami kanina. May naramdaman siya sa gilid. Sobrang sakit daw. Parang yung bato ng kidney niya bumalik. Or hindi pa talaga siya nahuhulog na ihi niya. So, ngayon, ang problema, ramdaman na naman niya yung sakit. Sabi ko sa kanya, doktor, ang tigas ng ulo, ayaw niya, guys. So, wala akong magawa. Kasi yung tao, pag ayaw niya, ayaw talaga niya. Ayaw niya pumunta doon. Nabisi siya kaninang umaga, nagpaano siya ng sasakyan niya. Sabi ko, wag ka nang pumunta dito. Kasi late na, and then maaga ka pa bukas. So, it's nonsense. You coming here and you just go to sleep and we don't do nothing. Sabi pa niya, baka meron daw akong ka-meeting dito, boyfriend, ganun-ganun. Sabi ko, kalukan mo to. Sabi ko, nag-FaceTime kami. So, gumawa siya ng video.
3,000 whoop-whoos later.
It is different day, the next day, the same thing. Yung naramdaman ko. Anyway, good morning. Today is, hindi siya good morning. Today is, nawala yung cellphone ko, guys. Hindi ko na makita. Today is Friday. Punta tayo sa bathroom. Baka nilagay ko sa toilet. Hindi ko yan nilagay sa toilet, guys. So, where is Mama's phone? Can you guys help me? So, si Dimples, malaki yung tiyan niya. So, tignan natin.
Learn how homeowners are strategically using a reverse mortgage loan to cover
Look, hoy, you guys, boom! Look, hindi siya masaya. Nagalit si Dimples. Come here, I'll give you something, Tim. Come here, I love you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you don't like it. You don't like that, right? I will give you food. Do like this, or like that. Exercise. My belly is so big. My belly. My husband said, don't do that. But it's not hurting then. She just don't like it. Si Hams. Si Hams may maganda, oh. Magandang ano yun si Hams. Look. Yeah, Mama, can you just I said, I want to eat, Mama. I love you, Bob. I can't find my cell phone. Honestly, hindi ko talaga makita. Jesus, andito lang. Andito lang pala, kaloka. Oh my God. Andito lang kayo, nakaganon. Natabunan, kaloka ba dito eh. Kaloka. Hindi ko alam. Tala, Ta-la-la-la-la. Natala nas mama. Tala tang duha. Tala tang duha. Tala tang duha. Tala tang duha. She is very cooperative. You cooperate your mother. You love your mama. You do? What are you doing, Rox? Stop snipping her, Heini. Stop snipping her, Mystica. Oh. Tala la la la. Natala nas mama nako. Tala la la la. Nagagalit. Roxy, no. Nagagalit si... Nagalit si Roxy. Roxy, she doesn't want you here. I know. We are bored. Dada's not here. Mama's sick. I try to move my body that I don't get worse. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to move my body, do exercise, that I won't get worse. Or else, if I get worse, I go to the hospital, and then you're gonna be alone. I love you. I love you, Rox. I love my... Tala la la la. Natala na ang akong inahan. Tala la la. Tala la la. Ano pinangga kay ni mama, oy? So ngayon guys, yung mga pillows, kasi ang dami kong pillows actually, nilabas ko silang lahat, meron pa doon sa closet dyan. Nilabas ko lang sila, inisprihan ko guys, kasi I don't need to wash them all the time, because iba ako kapag ginagamit ko sila and then ginagamit na for few weeks, gamit na and then labahan ko, nakakapagod naman. So inisprihan ko sila ng Fevresh, so nilabas ko sila doon hanggang matuyo and then balik yung iba doon. Yeah, grabing inom unsa may giinom nila?
Tanduay lang neck.
Kulang pa na, ingna na sila pag makauli ko, tagan ko na sila tanduay unom kabuok ipahurot. Mga ulit man day. Sige mong inom, makapatay ba yan na, makadaot ba yan na sa kuwan? Tinai.
Wala mo na silang inom.
Makadaot ba yan na si tinain ng kuwan? Labi ng isog kaayo ang giinom,
Isog yun, tanduay lang neck. May tubig lang siya, sir.
na. Si Papa po ni drive, sad siya, bisang hubog, taling po utok.
Ngita kong mamo. Ang mama ay nagpunong tuli.
Asa na sila dapit nag-inom?
Ila dudong.
Asa man siya na disgrasya dapit?
Pag ni ulit, may siya puto-puto ang skuhan. Mas mama naramtana diya
Taling. Nagubang, wala ka, basta pa, mutawag ko niya, balita ikaw, san? Good evening, it's already 6:15 na ng gabi. Nag-transfer ako ng, guys, ito guys, alcohol. Gamit na gamit ko to dito kasi palagi akong wash ng kamay ko kasi I always blow my nose. So, yun, alcohol yun palagi kong ginagamit. And, nag-transfer ako ng clip. Tinawagan ko lang yung sister ko. Sabi pa niya, nag-inuman daw sila kasi birthday ng kapatid ko. And, so, sabi pa ng kapatid ko, hindi daw sila palagi nag-iinuman. So, ang nangyari, grabe, silang lahat magkapatid ko at saka kapatid ko at asawa ng kapatid kong babae, puro lasing. At saka ngayon, suka ng suka dahil sa hindi sanay. So, ngayon, yun. So, nadisgrasya pa yung papa ko sa, kasi hinanap daw niya yung mama ko. Disgrasya pa, amor. Nag-drive ang motor. Nag-drive sa motor. Isang motor. Dinadrive yung motor, hinahanap niya yung mama ko. Hindi niya alam, andun pala sa bahay na kung asan siya. Luka talaga. Nadisgrasya tuloy. sumakit daw yung liig. Dahil sa disgrasya. So, hinilot yung kapatid ko after yung kapatid kong kasunod sa akin kasi marunong siyang manghilot kasi yun. Ay, problema dahil sa mga kalokohan. Anyway, i-end ko na tong video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys sa mga susunod na video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.